day. I'm really surprised these neighbors haven't complained. Because this probably rumbles the whole fucking thing.
Yeah. I feel like there's so many loud cars that go past the street though.
My car.
Somebody complained about your car? Oh my god. Whoa! Babe! Here. Honey! Are you on track? I think TV, right?
Damn, I gotta ride my bike? Shit!
You need to calm yourself down a little bit.
You know how to pick up a TV, Jared?
Not one this big. I haven't seen one like this before. I'm not rich enough.
I'm literally gonna beat you. Stop being mean. Yeah, you are.
Is that okay? Cool, let's leave it.
Baby, can you freaking move the damn thing?
Everything's so.
Alright, what are you picking? The Burrs or the M? Which one you pick, give me it the equivalent amount in cash because you're gonna probably blow it up.
Wow, that's hard. I want to rip the M. It's a tiny car.
I know. It's kind of busting, huh?
Yo, where's that coming from? You don't
All right, quick little life update. We got a new house. I'll show you guys why here in a second. Well, my reasoning why. Bobby has her own reasons, I got my own reasons. So right now we're taking the truck, the trailer, the new BRZ, Bobby's in the M, Jared's in the BRZ, and we're headed to the new house, and we're gonna be moving a lot of stuff today. And as you guys know, we also just picked up the new BRZ, so that means one of the cars in the shop has gotta go. Today's the day. Wow, you're so excited. Not bad, huh?
It's pretty quick.
I know.
Surprisingly quick.
Should we race your Evo?
Oh god, probably beat it.
That'd be embarrassing.
This is actually, because I've driven a stock BRZ before, like previous gen. They're so slow.
I know.
This actually feels pretty quick.
It's busting.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh yeah. Just pull that, like on the left side. We finally have 3 garage spaces. We gotta paint these walls. These are bummy.
We definitely need to screw in your light bulb.
Oh, we need like 10 of those bitches. All right, hold this camera. Let me back in the garage for the first time.
Okay.
What the hell is the rain dial?
I don't know.
It's probably for the sprinkler system.
We need to call Spokane and get these all set up.
That's what you're worried about right now?
Yeah.
Let's count it out real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Honey, this isn't gonna look like a junkyard.
I could fit 8 cars right here that aren't mint and polished.
Time to go pick up.
So this is why I wanted the new house, of course, right, Jared? More cars. I could probably fit my truck in.
You literally could fit your truck.
Shit!
Your voice is
Welcome to the laundry room.
Hey, a sink.
This is our bedroom.
Okay. Hell yeah.
Oh.
I get my own.
I like the shower.
I get my own thing.
Ooh. This is a really nice shower. I like this.
Could we have, well, not me and you.
You got a little seat right there, bro.
Dude, perfect.
Can you ass right there? Let's go.
Okay, toilet and closet. Housewarming party for sure.
Should we do an open invite to everyone on the channel?
I don't really think so.
Okay.
Let's look at our backyard.
Are we gonna get a dog now?
We don't have a fence.
Well, we can put the fence up.
You can put a gate up right there, right?
That's bullshit. I want a puppy.
Baby, we'll eventually get one. Don't worry about it. Okay, you want to see downstairs?
Jared, your room can be over there.
That little closet thing?
Yep.
Sick. Oh, hell yeah. This is perfect.
Dude, all the boys' barbecues.
Boys barbecues.
Should we do it tonight?
I'm down.
This is
sick.
I know, it's fire. All right, so we're about 5% moved in. This is gonna be Bobby's home gym area. So she has a bunch of gym stuff. And then I come over here, it's a little bit dark. This is gonna be like my editing office, which is kind of cool. Bobby, we have a bathroom downstairs. It's bussin'.
I'm out of shape.
Oh yeah?
Yep. And I got gray hairs apparently.
Oh, perfect. I thought I was gonna burn it.
Hello, Bobby.
Baby, I look like a crabby woman right now.
Well, you are.
For not to be on the page.
So it's the next day, we're still moving in. We made a lot of progress. My truck got broken into last night, which was cool. Isn't that some bullshit?
Some bullshit.
First night at the new house, but it's my fault. And they took my wallet, them fuckers. But we're gonna go hop in the BRZ and swap it out. I'll just show you guys when we get to the shop. Are you making me lunch?
Yes.
Gracias.
Yes, your favorite.
So we bought this car with 5 miles. I put about another 7 miles on it, driving it back to the house. And then Bobby went ahead and put like freaking 50 miles on this car. Sheesh, already up to 61 miles on it. All right, so now that we picked up the new BRZ, unfortunately, one of the cars in the shop is gonna have to leave. And out of all the cars, I love all these things, not equally, but I love all these cars. I think the one car that's gonna go is gonna be this one. Let's get the soup cleaned up. Never really done a full, solid interior, exterior detail on it. And we gotta get this thing out of the shop to make space for the new BRZ. I was trying to play this video off like we are selling the Supra, but I'm not very good at joking and lying. So all we're really doing today is just bringing the Supra to the new garage. I want it out of the shop just because it's such an expensive car and I don't like it getting just filthy and nasty and not treated perfectly all the time. So it's gonna sit in the new garage along with the M. Those are the two cars that are gonna chill in the garage for now. So let's head back to the house, see how she looks in the new garage. All we need now is a couple of those bright LED like fan lights that we have at the old place. And this garage will be plenty bright for all the cars. Beautiful. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the new house. I know I didn't show you much. I may do an update video later on in the future after everything's set up, after the home gym is set up, after the office is set up, after the kitchen's done, bedrooms are done. Yeah, get all that finished up. Maybe I'll do an update or a couple of weeks or a month or something. But yeah, stoked to have more space now for cars. It's exciting. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.